Once upon a time, there was a 5-year-old girl named Mia. She lived with her father, Tom, and her mother, Jane. They had a cozy little house near an enchanted forest. Mia loved exploring the forest with her parents. One sunny day, Mia found a hidden path in the forest. She ran back to tell her parents. "Mommy, Daddy, I found a new path. Can we explore it?" she asked excitedly. Tom and Jane smiled. "Of course, Mia. Let's see where it leads," Tom said. They packed a small bag with water and snacks and followed Mia into the forest. The path was narrow and winding. As they walked, they saw beautiful flowers and heard birds singing. But soon they came across a dark, spooky cave. Mia felt a little scared. "Do we have to go in there?" she asked. Jane hugged Mia. "Don't worry, sweetie. We'll be fine as long as we stay together," she said. They decided to enter the cave. Inside, it was cold and damp. Strange noises echoed around them. Mia held her parents' hands tightly. They walked deeper into the cave and saw a glowing light. The light led them to a hidden room filled with treasures. Tom and Jane were amazed, but they also felt something was wrong. "We must abide by our promise to keep Mia safe," Jane said. "Let's not stay here too long." As they turned to leave, they saw a shadowy figure. It was a guardian of the treasures, a wise old owl named Oliver. "Who dares to enter my abode?" he asked in a deep voice. Mia, feeling brave, stepped forward. "We didn't mean to intrude. We were just exploring," she said. Oliver looked at them with kind eyes. "I can see you have an abiding love for adventure, but this place is not safe for you. You must leave and never return," he said. Tom and Jane nodded. "We understand. We abhor danger and only want to keep Mia safe," Tom said. Oliver guided them back to the entrance of the cave. "Remember, the treasures here are cursed. Abide by my warning and do not return," he said. As they walked back home, Mia asked, "Why can't we keep the treasures, Daddy?" Tom smiled and said, "Some things are not meant to be ours, Mia. It's better to have a safe and happy life than to abominate it with cursed riches." Jane agreed. Our adventure was thrilling. When they reached their house, they felt relieved and happy. Mia realized that her home, her abode, was filled with love and safety. They had learned a valuable lesson about the dangers of greed and the importance of family.